Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and what a day it has been. Earnings of AMD and Google. So AMD with ARM, I'll be talking later today in a separate video that will be coming out on my public channel. And Google, I'll be talking about that with the members only later today. Now, so in this video, we'll be focusing on Tesla, Nvidia, SMCI, Broadcom, and Micron. So as you saw on the title of the thumbnail, bull's last defense almost is where we are now, especially for stocks like Tesla and also Nvidia. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's jump right into that. So here we are in the price action of Tesla that overall we are still bearish. Nothing has really changed on Tesla in that regards. All right, overall structure is bearish. On hourly interval, let's get down over there. Business is right on the hourly interval, guys. So I gave you this level of 384 around. If we can somehow hold a pivot over here today, we can continue to rebound for today. And we just did that, and we are technically still holding a pivot, and structure actually on hourly interval is around being bullish, and that's why we are seeing that rebound continues. But as I said, overall its structure is bearish. It's just intraday rebound, as I showed you the structure is also bullish. It's just intraday though. And also, yes, on the 5 minutes as well, we had a good day trading signals as well. So let's turn on my tools and yep, we had a good bullish run, then weakness, and then we had a bullish runs as well. Again, you can just see it over here. Now the point, or well, the areas that we got to talk about is what to do from here. Well guys, overall structure is bearish and it's not going to change, but intraday, yes, the strength can still continue. Rebound strength, right? As long as we hold these pivots as we are forming. This is almost the last line of defense for Tesla when it comes to the swing, because as if we lose 384, weakness will continue more. So far, it has been able to hold the rebounds at the levels below like 373 and so forth. But the more and more we test, while overall structure being bearish, and more we test the bottom of it, we're going to eventually break, right? So it's just the rebounds, right? But anyways, tomorrow, if we stay above 387 and 66 cents, we are technically still holding near-term rebounds, okay? We are still fine, all right? Near-term pivots. If we lose 387 and 72 cents, again, we have a problem. And then 384 and 34 cents, as if we lose it, well, it's more confirmed. It's just intraday weakness play again. All right, so that's something to watch tomorrow, and my tools will show the structure bearish anyway, so you would know what to do. Anyways, so that's Tesla. So overall, we still have bearishness on this. Intraday rebounds are coming. We are still in that intraday rebound structure, and as per the levels I provided you on the hourly interval, as we stay above it, this rebounds can continue. All right, take it just as a rebounds for now though. And that's what we have on Tesla. If you need a trend line for reference, there is a trend line building up as an overhead resistance. It's not a perfect trend line, just for a reference though. Anyways, $400 psychological level coincides with this trend line, so you can use that level. And but yeah, we'll have to really push through that $400 level above if overall structure we want to turn around. Otherwise, no, not right now. Nvidia. So Nvidia is also just at the pretty much edge here, because as overall structure remains bearish on this thing, and it's still overall we are bearish. Its intraday rebounds are what just are coming, but not just being overall bearish, but we are also below 200 days moving average, and any buying that is happening, it's also being sold off here. You can take a look at that. Let's get to the hourly interval, because what are we doing though? So I told you about this $118 level in the morning. It's 118 and 5 to 15 cents area, okay? And sometimes when I put my cursor, I'm not really, precise right at that line there, but just if you have access to my tools, though. Now, so I said as we hold above 118, that it can still bounce from there. We got those bounces here, guys, right? No problems. We got good bounces. That's why I mentioned that 118. My tools marks this all levels automatically for you. We do have still a pivot on the intraday rebound, but the thing is that significant level above 120 and 80 cents is giving it a rejection. and overall structure is bearish. It's just a rebound. All right, the ones that we have been getting here. So anytime if tomorrow we lose 118, it's just a continuation of the weakness from the overall structure, and that opens up the doors again for it to 116.25. So this has just been rebounds for us. All right. And again, if you have access to my tools for day trading, let me show you. So we had a good plays on Nvidia as well. Bullish price action early in the morning, then bearish, bounced at the cloud, bullish, bearish, again bounced a little bit at the cloud or stabilized. But anyways, day trading, just rely on these tools. And anyways, if you need access to the tools, links are in the description of this video. Now, yeah, so overall we are bearish, and as if we lose 118 area tomorrow, well, then weakness will continue. Overall structure weakness will just continue, right? So we are, what we have been doing so far on Nvidia intraday, just a rebound in the overall bearish structure right now, okay? So that's Nvidia. AMD I'll be talking about later, and then let's get to SMCI. So SMCI, earlier their earnings were estimated for those particular days, and SMCI always does that. Now I think the date confirmed is 11th of Feb. But anyways, so it's doing a rebound. All right, we are not above though that area of structure change, that is $30 area. We need to get above that for regaining strength again. It's otherwise still in the bearish structure. All right, let's turn on my tools. We are still bearish here. Nothing has really changed. Now, what to do here? Is it a good rebound? Let's get to the hourly interval. So technically, in the post-market yesterday, we broke above this significant level. We came back down, found a support at that significant level marked by my tools and the black dashed line. So we got the intraday rebound because we broke out of the significant level, and so that becomes a support, right? And so pullback were a buy because we took out the previous resistance through this breakout, and then it becomes a support. Now from here on, again, it's just an intraday rebound, very similar like any other stocks right now. The good strength is only above the $30. Otherwise, tomorrow, if we can get above 29 again, it can, not just 29, I'm seeing a supply zone sitting here. I am just not comfortable playing it a buy right now. Excuse me. $30 above is the next strength. And anyways, if we lose this zone, pretty much where it is, like if we lose 28 and 42 cents, it has a room to come down to 27 and 60 cents. SMCI is still weak is what I want to leave you with. If you want to use this as near-term intraday rebound, well, we got to stay above this zone tomorrow though. All right, so anyways, otherwise it's overall still there is weakness, guys. It's just a rebound though. If we get above $30 strength, I'll take it as a strength. Broadcom. So Broadcom, guys, in the post market, it's up at 231, and structure has been able to hold that very blue box that I provided you. Let's get to the hourly interval right away. And pretty much the game was, as we stay above the blue box, we are fine, and we have just been continuing higher. And at this point, any pullback until this level 223 area, 225 is just a pullback zone. If any pullback happens, as long as we stay above 223, we are still technically in the bullish structure on Broadcom. All right, so intraday and also overall, we are looking nice and strong on this thing now. So I think, yeah, it's okay. Micron. So Micron, here we are. Again, it's overall in the bearish structure, and today intraday is just a sideways day. So, and I can show you daily interval that why we are bearish, right? So let's turn on my tools real quick. And you can see we are still bearish in the overall structure. All right, and so let's get to the hourly interval actually, and let's see what's going on there. So yep, we are still in the resistance zone. I'm just going to extend that blue box. As we stay below this blue box tomorrow, $91 area, we are still bearish on this thing. Even intraday, there is weakness, and we can continue lower. Look only intraday uptrend from here if we get above this blue box, $90 above. All right. Okie dokie, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Remember, AMD and ARM will be coming out later because ARM earnings are tomorrow. Let me double check that. Yes, ARM's earnings are tomorrow, and I want to talk about and give my opinion on AMD's earnings as well, right? So I'll do those videos later today. Stay tuned, they will come out. All right, see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.